my name is Harshal. In this video, we are going to discuss about data types in Java. Java basically typed in statical and strongly means the data type is already predefined as per programming language. In simple way, we can say when you want to store some data, you use a variable. This variable allocates some piece of memory to this data, but we need to describe type and size of data. How we will do this? This is done by your data types. In Java, we have two data types. One is primitive data type, and second one is your non-primitive, or you can say reference one. So first we will discuss about primitive data types. We have total 8 types of primitive data types. This primitive type is having single value and does not have any special or some features, you can say that. It cannot be changed as it is already predefined in your languages. So we have a total 8 type of data, this primitive data type. It is classified as for numeric values. For integral values, we have byte, short, int, long. For decimal, we have float and your double. For your true false like logic expressions, we have boolean. For your characters, to store the characters, we have char. We will see one by one what these data types are. First, we will talk about boolean. Boolean have only one bit of information. It will have only value true or false. It will totally depend upon your logic or your boolean expressions. Its size totally depend on your virtual machine. Then we will talk about some numerical data types to store your new numbers. First, we will have byte. Byte is 8-bit signed 2's complement integral. This is used when you want to save memory while dealing with large arrays. It has range from 128 to 127. This must range byte carries. Now we will talk about second type, which is short. Short nothing but is double of your byte. It is 16-bit. It is 16-bit signed 2's complement integral. This is used when you want to save some memory while you are doing some work with large arrays. It has greater length than your byte. It has range of minus 32,768 to 32,767. This must range short carries. Then another type is int. Int is a by default or like most preferable to store any numerical values. Generally, you can see in all programs. Generally, we will use this int, and it is of 632-bit. Then we will have long. This long have quite large range. It is used when int is not enough to store that value, and it is of 64 bits. Then to store, now we will move forward. Then we have two data types for decimals. One is float, another one is double. First, we will look about your float. Float is 32-bit one precision. This is used to save memory while you have your decimal arrays. In that case, to store memory, we will use this float, and it carries a value up to 7 decimals. Then another type we have a double. Double is very default, and it has some great memory up to 16 decimals. So it can store up to 16 decimals, and it has capacity. Has size of 64 bits. It is used by default when you want to save some decimal or floating. Now we will move forward. For saving any character like A, B, C, D, we have char. We use this char data type. Char is nothing but a 16-bit single Unicode character which used to store some chars like characters A, B, C, D, whatever you want to store. This all about your primitive. Now we will move about to second one, which is non-primitive, or you can say reference. This non-primitive one you can change according to your constructor or operator. You can use this to change it, and you can use it for some special features or operations. This non-primitive data type stores the address of a value, not direct value, as it is a reference data type. And for example, for this type we have like strings, you can say array. But for this video, we will talk about the string. String is nothing but it is a set. It is used to store array of characters. In Java, we have in Java there is a difference between your string and character array. String is designed to store the sequence of characters to a particular single variable, whereas your character array your character array stores your value in the collection of entities. So this is the difference. String and string, just in normal words we can say string is used to store your words like sentences. My name is Harshal. Like this data we want to store, so we will use the strings. This is all about your data types. So this is all about your data types. Thank you and have a great day.